Hey everyone! Today I will be demonstrating and explaining how I learned a trick stall called a wraparound stall. I don't think it's super difficult, maybe just moderately so. If you can pump comfortably all the way up to the coping and feel really solid and you can stall on one foot, you can learn this trick. So first I will try to show it, then I will try to explain it. First I gotta turn around and come back toward the camera, toward Kev. All right? So here we go.
Let's see it. I see. Very stylish.
One more. Oh, too far.
Very smooth.
All right. So, step number one.
I don't even do this one.
Is stalling on one foot. And while I thought stalling on one foot would be really, really difficult, but actually I learned to stall on one foot before I learned to stall on 2 feet. And the reason why was because I didn't have to commit all of my weight onto the coping. I could keep my back foot kind of in the transition, and it actually felt easier to me to learn my first stalls that way. I'll try to explain that first, because that's step number one, all right?
Okay.
So turning around, coming back toward the camera. Just this, all right?
Okay.
So I'm pumping up to the coping, stepping with front foot, picking up back foot. I'm not going very far. I'm just picking up the back foot. I'm not pushing my weight far forward at first. Just picking up, going back in. Both knees stay bent, weight on the front, pick up the back. Over time, committing more weight forward. Over time, pushing more weight forward, picking up more on the back. Then you can start to play with grabbing or grabbing behind. But it all just takes a lot of practice and repetition. Touching, kicking, right? All of these variations on the one-footed stall. So, once you're ready to play with the wraparound, once you feel real solid in that 1 foot position, with a variety of different positions of the lifted back leg, the next thing will be to kick the back leg around behind. So I'm gonna try to show that. Pushing the weight on the front foot, just kicking the back one behind. Just swinging it around the back, kicking it.
Okay. I got a good shot of it.
Pushing the weight forward on the front foot, kicking the back leg behind. All right? Now, I'm gonna start to sort of tap. Barely a tap. I barely touch, just a little, like it's a hot potato. Like I'm just pushing my weight forward on that front foot, tapping, put it back in the round. Wrapping around, quick tap back in, right? Okay, over time, you can commit a little more. Oh, I committed a little more. Push your weight forward, push the back foot around. You want to start to try to lay the back foot over onto the outside of the boot and the wheels on the deck, right? Knees stay bent. I'm thrusting my chest forward. I'm trying to push my weight farther forward as I commit more. Every time I commit more, I lean more forward and then go back in. It becomes more of a jump. Leaning forward, missed it.
Okay.
Leaning forward, jumping back in. Leaning forward, outer edge of the back foot, jumping back in. One more.
Very nice.
All right. So, I think it's a pretty stylish trick. Unlike that one. So yeah, it's something fun. You can do different things with your arms and, make it your own, make it cool. Like I say, at first you're just, like with any stall, like you're barely there. Like, you blink, you miss it. But over time, you stay longer, you commit to the weight placement a little more, and you start to feel more balanced. The more you practice, So hopefully that helps y'all, or if you have other tips, maybe you learn this a different way or have something to share that can help us. We'd appreciate that too. And please like and comment, subscribe. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.